Top tips for gathering L1 visa documents. Navigating the L1 visa application process can be a daunting task. The paperwork alone can seem overwhelming. Understanding the L1 visa requirements documents is crucial. It's the first step towards a successful application. In this guide, we aim to simplify the process. We'll provide clear, actionable tips to help you gather the necessary documents.
Whether you're a business professional, HR manager, or immigration lawyer, this guide is for you. It's designed to assist anyone involved in the L1 visa application process. We'll cover everything from understanding the L1 visa to preparing for the visa interview. We'll also provide tips on how to organize your documents effectively. By the end of this guide, you'll be better equipped to navigate the L1 visa application process. Let's get started.
Understanding the L1 visa. The L1 visa is a non-immigrant visa. It allows international companies to transfer certain employees to the US. These employees must be managers, executives, or have specialized knowledge. They are transferred to work in a US branch, parent, subsidiary, or affiliate of the same company. L1 visa overview. The L1 visa is divided into two categories, L1A and L1B. Both are designed for intra-company transferees. The L1 visa is a dual-intent visa. This means that the visa holder can apply for a green card and seek permanent residency.
L1A versus L1B, knowing the difference. The L1A visa is for executives and managers. It's valid for up to 7 years. The L1B visa is for employees with specialized knowledge. It's valid for up to 5 years. Understanding the difference is key to a successful application. L1 visa eligibility criteria. To qualify for an L1 visa, certain criteria must be met. These criteria are set by US immigration law. The applicant must have worked for the foreign company for at least one continuous year within the past 3 years. The position held must be managerial, executive, or involve specialized knowledge.
Employment and position requirements. The position in the US company must be similar to the one held abroad. It must be managerial, executive, or involve specialized knowledge. The US company must be a branch, parent, subsidiary, or affiliate of the foreign company.
Qualifying relationship between companies. The US and foreign companies must have a qualifying relationship. This means they must be part of the same corporate group. Proof of this relationship is required. This can be shown through the sharing of ownership or control by the same owners or members.
Essential L1 visa requirements documents. The L1 visa application process requires several documents. These documents are crucial to prove eligibility and to support the application. The documents needed can be divided into two categories, personal and employer documents. Each category has its own set of required documents.
Here is a general list of documents required.
Valid passport. Form I-129, petition for a non-immigrant worker. Letter from the employer. Proof of qualifying relationship between the US and foreign company. Evidence of employment for at least one continuous year within the past 3 years. Proof of the applicant's managerial, executive, or specialized knowledge role. Preparing for the L1 visa application. Preparing for the L1 visa application involves more than just gathering documents. It also requires understanding the purpose and importance of each document. The two key documents in this process are Form I-129 and the Employer Support Letter. Both documents play a significant role in the application.
Form I-129 petition for a non-immigrant worker. Form Y-129 petition for a non-immigrant worker is a crucial document. It is filed by the employer on behalf of the applicant. This form provides information about the company and the proposed employment in the US. It must be filled out accurately and completely. Employer Support Letter. The Employer Support Letter is another key document. It should detail the nature of the position and the reasons for the transfer. The letter should also provide evidence of the qualifying relationship between the US and foreign company. It should be written professionally and convincingly.
Tips for a successful L1 visa interview. The L1 visa interview is a crucial part of the application process. It's your chance to present your case to the consular officer. Preparation is key to success. Document presentation during the interview. During the interview, you'll need to present your documents. Organize them in a logical and accessible manner. This will help you locate any document quickly when asked. A well-organized document presentation can leave a positive impression on the consular officer. It shows your seriousness and preparedness for the interview.
Anticipating visa interview questions. You should also anticipate potential visa interview questions. These questions often relate to the documents you've submitted. Prepare to answer questions about your role, the nature of your work, and your relationship with the US company. Being well prepared can help you answer confidently and accurately. After submission, next steps and follow-ups. Once you've submitted your L1 visa application, the waiting period begins. It's important to stay informed about your application status. You can do this by following up with the USCIS or the US Embassy Consulate, responding to requests for evidence, RFEs. Sometimes USCIS may request additional evidence. This is known as a request for evidence, RFE. If you receive an RFE, respond promptly and accurately. This can help avoid unnecessary delays in your application process.
Visa processing times and planning. Visa processing times can vary. It's important to be aware of this and plan accordingly. Remember, patience and persistence are key in the visa application process. Conclusion and additional resources. In conclusion, gathering the necessary L1 visa requirements documents can be a complex task. However, with careful planning, organization, and understanding of the process, it can be managed effectively. For further assistance, consider consulting with global immigration partners